Never really wanted to be in front of the camera. I always felt like I'm not photogenic and your face. I had like one of those Hollywood stories when I was discovered in Starbucks.
We are rolling. What is up, YouTube? We are back. We're in Hollywood today, and we are with the beautiful
Max Reeves. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and the beautiful Shannon.
Beautiful Shannon.
Thank you.
We're gonna talk about this.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. So so we're in beautiful Hollywood. It was really blazing hot today, but we're gonna try to stay out of the sun so she doesn't get her makeup and everything all
All over you.
Yeah, Max just had her premiere party yesterday.
Yay.
How long ago was that?
2 years only, I think.
2 years, and she got a lead in a feature film.
You know,
it's really
okay.
good, I think.
It's okay.
Ask me how many leads and features I've been in.
I don't want
Yeah. Where are you from? You're
Russia,
from Russia.
born and raised, yes.
You've been here for 4 years, right? Can you tell from an accent?
I wouldn't say like Russian.
But I would have never guessed, like only 4 years. Because your whole family know that you're modeling along with everything else?
No, like the thing is my hometown, it's a big city, but it's an industrial city. The whole entertainment industry is something that my parents could not relate. Best word I can describe them as like intellectuals, you know, doctors, scientists. If I get featured in some magazine or something or a music video that comes out, they're like, okay, all right.
Your face was on like a billboard at home and your parents walked by, they would shake their heads.
I think my mom would get a kick out of it, but that's... And then she'll ask me, when are you gonna get a real job?
I heard an asteroid almost destroyed your hometown.
That is correct as well.
You thought I was joking about it.
No, it's not a joke. It exploded in the atmosphere with the power of atomic bomb. The only thing that I can say, you know, about my hometown.
Yeah, but that's
She just came here from America 4 years ago. She's a refugee fleeing asteroids. And so we're lucky to have her. All right, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to follow, and it really helps us out a lot. Cool. All right, half body. Go ahead and ignore the camera on the next couple. Go ahead and ignore the camera. Nice. Love that. Five more. And we're good. Oh, very cool. It's close up. I'm just going to keep it a little bit still in this next couple. Kind of like that look where you're just sort of almost peeking over your sunglasses. Cool. It's good to have one over the shoulder, like back behind, looking back over the shoulder. Cool. A little bit less. Go ahead and turn your body towards me a little bit more. Right there. That's good. Very cool. 3/4 body. I like when you peek over. That's pretty cool. Cool. Can we have you off and closer to the middle now? You got some really good ones right there. You good? You good? Yeah, don't try to surf and fall. Can you turn your body a little bit open to me? Good. Right there. Love it. Can we have also like a squatting one on this one? Do you think we can have squatting? Cool. Nice. Cool. Eyes off. That's great. And go ahead and turn your body and knees a little bit more towards this direction, please. Oh, very cool. Combination eyes on and eyes off. Nice. 3 more, and I'm gonna switch lenses. Very cool. Eyes off. Nice. Can you give me that one again? A little bit chin up, and then eyes off a couple times. Nice. I like when you kind of went up and then like hit your side. There we go. It's gonna be a close up. Nice.
It felt awkward because I never really wanted to be in front of the camera. I always felt like I'm not photogenic and your face. No, seriously, I was fascinated with the work behind the camera. I had like one of those Hollywood stories when I was discovered in Starbucks. I still feel very awkward in front of the camera. There's something, I'm still adjusting to it, let's put it this way. But here's the thing about modeling and acting and why I think modeling was more of like adjustment period for me personally, because like I'm very observing, but I'm not really paying attention to what I'm doing. Whereas like when you're modeling, you really need to be very self-conscious of what you're doing, how you're posing, how your clothes are. Whereas I am paying attention to others. That is definitely more helpful when it comes to acting, I feel like.
Do you think it's safe to walk all the way down here? Hey Shannon, tell me I'm about to get hit. Go ahead and eyes off, this looks great. Okay. Does that work? Does that work? If I roll up in the car and be like, hey, come on in, does that work? No? No?
You know the answer to that?
Cool. Kind of like when you leaned on that. That was pretty cool. Give me that one more time. It's gonna be half body close up. There he goes. Eyes off on a couple of these. Love it. Oh jeez. Oh, that is cool. A little bit close up. Give me that again. Peeking over. What? Cool. This is gonna be half body. Only part of your legs. Nice. Go ahead and ignore me on the next couple. Like you're waiting for someone. Then you just peeked over at me. Cool. That's it. Half body. Love it. Just going to have you not sitting on this next couple. Barely touching it or leaning, either way.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door.
Nice.
A little too late for, I'm sorry for.
Close-ups.
The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting.
Cool. Wait, can we bring you back over here? Oh, there we go. Very cool. Don't get killed.
See, I finally opened up my eyes.
Very cool.
And I saw me
Yeah.
coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize.
Actually, go ahead and come over here. There we go. Right here. Yeah, actually, and right there. Go ahead and stop. We got some palm trees in the back. Cool. There we go. Want to see what it looks like from my end? Too cool. Very cool. It's gonna be close-ups. Go ahead and give me a little less movement on these. Great. Just the eyes. Great. Nice. Nice. Okay, last couple more. Last 5. And we are good. Oh, some of them look very like kind of like urban cool.
I mean, they look beautiful at the end.
Yeah, with the light right behind you.
So beautiful.
Your lighting is like you backlit.
One day we'll come back around. The future is now.
So yeah, so she was in her own feature film. That is her movie, My Alien Girlfriend. She plays, I think, either alien or a girlfriend. I don't know if she has enough range and talent to bring up to. Oh, you play both?
I play both.
Oh my God.
You never know.
There's
Where exactly did I come from? I say Russia. It's just my.
Pitzman. Thank you. We're shooting out in the open if you haven't noticed. So I just heard you speak Korean.
Chugule. What do you call a person who speaks 2 languages?
Bilingual.
What do you call a person who speaks more than 3 languages?
Oh, polyglot.
Yeah. What do you call a person who speaks only 1 language?
I don't know.
American. That was racist. Sorry, guys.
Should we allow this? This is how the Cold War might have started. This is a really fast, rough shoot. We had turns out there's a concert at the Hollywood Bowl, so we had to move our cars. We had 20 minutes left. Parked our cars half a mile away, jumped in an Uber, came back here, got our shots, and I kid you not, I think it was less than 6 minutes, we got all our shots. And now, huh?
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes if you have the right model you're working with. And this is the truth, right? And the right assistant.
Hi.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Talking about professionalism. So we were talking about professionalism. So we have a professional model, we have a professional background actor, we have a professional crew, we have a photographer who's faking it the entire time. We pulled off something that was really hard to pull off in the amount of time because we jumped in Uber. That's our production values. This is what it takes sometimes. Right now, we were chasing the light because we started at 5:15, had to move our location around 5:35. And
We didn't
then-
have to. You chose to move it at 5:35. We had until 6.
This is actually a really hard one. I had to make the call.
Yeah.
Do we move the car and then try to give ourselves another 45-minute buffer? Get the right models, get the right crew, get the right. You can get by without a photographer. I want to see how this all comes out. I can really tell from behind the camera, it looks pretty good. I am really excited to to work with these people who just knew what the hell they were doing and willing to put up with my
Put up with your professionalism.
Hey, remember the time we did a
Long drive, even when I felt like it's a long time. Lord, I know that you were always on time. That's just what you do, that's just how you be, that's just how you lead, that's just how I'm free, that's just how I see you. Got everything, that's just what I need every single day. You keep me breathing, my heart keeps believing that. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name.